Wow. You have this and you have bee pom-poms. And ruff, ruff. Is this a doggy?
Mama,
The bag? You like that, huh?
Me too.
Well, they're for Julia, but you can use them too. I can't see why not.
What's that?
This is a cheerleader outfit. What's in the next? Julia, come here. Julia. 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 What's in here?
Julia, look at.
Another purse. Another pocketbook. Come here. Come here. Come here. Look at that.
Wow.
You want to open this? Okay.
Sure.
A big pocketbook. Yes.
A ball.
Here you go.
Ball.
Put it on.
Ball.
Oh, pretty.
A ball. Let me ball.
A ball?
Boa.
Oh, no, she's not saying that. You don't like that? Who's in this? Oh! You want to wear these?
Aw.
Oh, you like your hat? And wow.
There she
nice
goes.
Feathery.
Good night.
Here's your other bag. Another bag. Girl can't have too many purses. Oh, and they've got the fancy gloves too, Julia. See the gloves? I remember having gloves like these. Julia. Honey. Julia.
No, what's the devil in the weather?
Oh, so pretty. See the gloves? Yeah, and then we'll see what else is in here. We'll put all these things back nicely. What's it? Oh, butterfly wings. The fairy wings. You're going to be a fairy in this box.
This is good. This bag.
Oh, wow. Her name is Rose, the little fairy. Oh, God, this is so cute. Oh, the skirts.
Hey, look at big hat.
You have a nice hat.
Is she kidding? Wow, Julia. It's a crown. I mean, this is hours of enjoyment. We will open all these. Oh, a new one. We gotta open this. Love these.
Baba. Yeah.
Wow. You are glamorous, Miss Julia.
Very nice. Say thank you.
Can you say thank you to Aunt Rose? Say, look at Daddy and say thank you, Aunt Rose.
She did it.
Oh, good.